Hello and thank you for tuning in to Saya Resam, your personal guide through the ever-expanding world of technology. In this episode, we'll put a hotly anticipated device through real-world tests to see if it lives up to its hype. If you spend long hours working at a desk, you probably know the feeling: stiff shoulders, tight neck muscles, and constant soreness after a full day in front of the computer. That's exactly where devices like the SKGHS 500 II neck and shoulder massager come in. Today we're taking a hands-on look at this compact wellness gadget that promises 3D massage, heat therapy, and infrared relaxation in a lightweight design. It's priced at around $90, making it an interesting option, whether you want to treat yourself or give it as a thoughtful wellness gift. Let's start with the design and unboxing experience. Right out of the box, the SKGHS 500 II stands out because of its unique form factor. Unlike many neck massagers that use rigid collar designs or U-shaped pillows, this device uses a roller-based structure with adjustable straps. The main body sits around your neck and shoulders, while a strap behind your back helps keep the device securely in place during use. This design allows the massager to stay aligned with the pressure points on your neck and upper shoulders. Despite the motor and massage system inside, the device is surprisingly lightweight. It weighs about 1.9 pounds, so wearing it for a massage session doesn't feel uncomfortable or heavy. The exterior has a minimal look with a light colored finish and a slightly textured surface that improves grip. The SKG logo sits neatly on the top, keeping the design clean and modern. Now let's talk about how it actually works. The SKGHS 500 II uses 3D True Feel massage technology, which relies on rotating massage rollers rather than electrical pulse stimulation. These rollers are designed in a spherical shape with a tornado spiral surface, allowing them to simulate real kneading movements. The rollers are arranged horizontally and can rotate 360 degrees, which helps them adapt to the natural curve of your neck and shoulders. In total, the device offers 6 massage modes so you can choose different massage patterns, depending on how tense your muscles feel. One of the standout features is the heat therapy function. The massager provides 3 temperature settings: 102°F, 106°F, and 111°F. After a few minutes, the heating pad begins warming the neck area, which helps relax muscles and enhance the massage effect. Inside the device there's also a 620 nanometers infrared light system, designed to support blood circulation and improve relaxation during each session. Each massage session runs for about 15 minutes by default, which is a good duration for relieving tension without overworking the muscles. Another highlight is the quiet brushless motor inside the device. During testing, the massager runs relatively quietly, so it's comfortable to use in an office environment or while relaxing at night. Finally, the built-in battery allows about 100 minutes of total usage on a full charge, which means you can enjoy multiple sessions before needing to recharge. Overall, the SKGHS 500 II focuses on a simple but effective idea: